ever need your scope to trigger on or decode serial packets for buses like I2C, SPI, RS-232, or CAN? The MXO series oscilloscopes offer a number of serial bus trigger and decode options. Let's take a look. Connect to your bus with either digital or analog scope channels. Tell the scope how you connected and turn on decode. Position the protocol decode where you want. If you use serial buses for key debug and test visibility points, consider MXO series oscilloscopes. Check out Rohde Schwarz MXO oscilloscopes in your lab. See the difference.